What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a blur effect to a clip in CapCut for Android. In this series, we're going over some basic video effects and video editing for CapCut. So if you find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add a quick blur effect to your video clip in CapCut, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your timeline in CapCut. And then from there, you want to make sure you have the clip selected that you want to add the blur effect to. From there, what you want to do is go into Effects at the bottom menu there, the bottom horizontal menu, and you want to hit Effects. And then from there, what you want to do is look for Video Effects. And then from there, you want to make sure that you're looking for Classic. In the Classic category, you want to scroll down and you want to look for Blur, and then you can hit Blur to add a blur effect. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add a blur effect to CapCut on Android. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.